Sickle Cell Anemia, presented by Group 7 Ark of the Covenant. Objectives. At the end of this video, the learners are expected to understand what sickle cell anemia is, know the frequency of sickle cell anemia, recognize the inheritance pattern of sickle cell anemia, know the causes of sickle cell anemia, and know how to treat sickle cell anemia. Have you ever heard sickle cell anemia before? Hello, I'm Charmaine.
And I'm Karil. And today, we are going to discuss about sickle cell anemia.
Let's start at the definition. Sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia, also known as sickle cell disease or SCD, is a genetic red blood cell disorder in which there are not enough healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen throughout your body. Normal red blood cells are round. However, in people with sickle cell anemia, hemoglobin is deficient and causes red blood cells to change shape.
Frequency. Sickle cell disease affects around 100,000 Americans. It occurs among 1 in 365 African American births and 1 in 16,300 Hispanic American births. Around 1 in 13 African American babies are born with sickle cell trait.
Inheritance pattern. Sickle cell anemia inherited in an autosomal recessive pattern, which means both copies of the gene have mutations in each cell.
Causes. Sickle cell anemia is caused by a mutation in the gene that tells the body to make the iron-rich compound that makes blood red and helps red blood cells to bring oxygen from lungs across the body.
Treatment of sickle cell anemia. The treatment of sickle cell anemia is generally aimed at avoiding outbreaks of pain and preventing complications. Treatments can include medications and blood transfusion. For some children, a stem transplant might cure the disease.
In these photos, it shows the early signs of sickle cell disease may include yellowish color of the skin and color of the eyes, painful swelling of the hands and feet.
Only black people can have sickle cell anemia. Stem cell transplant can be the cure for sickle cell anemia. There is no signs and symptoms for sickle cell anemia.